So, dear students, today we will see trigonometry identities. Okay, how to prove the simplest way of trigonometry identities. Here are 10 questions. Okay, today we will see the 10 questions. Uh, Out of this 10, most probably one question may be in your board examination. Right? So just to try to see each and every questions, we have solved them the very simplest way. Clear? So now you see the first question here. There are total 10 questions given to you in your NCERT book also. That is exercise 8.4, right? In NCERT CBSE board, and page number it is 193. Yes. So let's see. First question is here. Prove that cosec minus cot theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos upon 1 plus cos theta. Right? So first we will take left hand side LHS cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. Okay? Now as you have seen here cosec and cot, and we have to change the cos. Right? Just we use the primary identity, that is cosec means 1 upon sin theta, isn't it? Yes. Cos theta equal to
cos theta upon sin theta.
cos theta upon sin theta. Yes, all of you are correct. Okay, madam? Now, up to here is your trigonometry. Now, this is simple algebra.
Yes.
Okay, just simple common sense. Simply take the, what we will say? What will take?
LCM.
LCM. Isn't it?
Yes.
LCM sin theta is LCM. Then we will get 1 minus cos theta whole square. Okay. Just to compare the RHS, it means already we are getting here 1 minus cos. Okay. Of course, we are getting here the numerator. Right. It means our 50% answer will go. So you can take the idea from here. Actually, what we have to prove, isn't it? So keep your mind RHS also that in what way we are going to prove. So just separate the square 1 minus cos theta whole square upon sin square theta. Clear? Now, then write here 1 minus cos theta whole square and square sin square theta means 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, you can write it because sin square equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Then apply the identity here a square minus b square in denominator. So 1 minus cos theta whole square equal to 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta, because we apply a square minus b square, that is a plus b and a minus b number square, and 1 is gone. Clearly you can see 1 minus cos theta whole square and 1 minus cos theta. Simply we code the
RHS.
RHS. So this is one of your first question out of 10. Clear? Now second question. Cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 upon sin A upon cos A equal to 2 sec A. So take the RHS cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A. First step, write as it is your LHS. Now, then see, simply you take the LCM, okay, because there is no need to change. Okay, already it is given sin and cos. So we have taken the LCM 1 plus sin A and cos A. Right? All together. This one is gone. So cos into cos, cos square A plus 1 plus sin A whole square. Clear, madam? By taking the LCM, this is your first step. Second step, just open the bracket. Open the bracket A plus B whole square. So we will get here cos square A plus 1 plus sin square A plus 2 sin A plus 2 sin A. So we have opened the bracket a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square upon right as it is 1 plus sin a and cos a. Now then let us see. You know cos square a plus sin square a, that is 1. 1 already 1 is here, so it becomes 2. Okay, see once again. Cos square a plus sin square a, we know it is 1. You can write here because we know sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. So 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2 sin a, okay, upon 1 plus sin a into cos a. Clear? Now 2 as a common and 1 plus sin a upon again 1 plus sin a and this cos a. Right? You can see once again 2 we have taken as a common, so 1 is remaining here and 2 is common, then only sin a. Right? So 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a is gone, 2 upon cos a and 1 upon cos a means sec a. That is your RHS. In this way we can do the second question. Clear? So now come to the question number 3, and this is very important. Right? Question is here, tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta equal to 1 plus sec into cosec. That you have to prove. Okay, this is one of the important questions. Alternate years it is coming in the board examination. Right? So just you take left hand side, tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta. It is your step number 1. Right as it is left hand side. Okay, beta. And remember it, please don't change into sin and cos. In many guide it is changed into sin and cos, but it becomes very lengthy. First you change tan and cot interchange just in the one term, and we are going to change the tan theta. Now you can see here. So it is tan theta upon 1 cot means 1 upon tan theta. Okay, as you know, cot theta equal to 1 upon tan theta plus again this cot is 1 upon tan. And already it is written, what is that? 1 minus tan theta, right? You can see once again, I have changed cot 1 by 10 and this cot to 1 by 10, step number 1. Clear? Now just to see here, it is method of the LCM in denominator. So denominator as it is tan theta, LCM is tan theta, it becomes tan square theta minus 1. And remember it, okay? Just change, take the common, minus as a common, and change it tan theta into tan theta minus 1. Okay, this is one of the important step. 1 minus 10, 1 minus 10, I have taken minus as a common and mark the minus sign here. So we can take the LCM in the same way, tan minus 1 and tan minus 1. It is tan theta. Okay? So 10 into 10 becomes tan square theta. This is what tan square theta upon tan theta minus 1. Same thing here, 1 upon tan theta into tan theta minus 1. Okay, beta? So now we can see tan minus 1 and tan minus 1, so we can take easily as the LCM. That's why we have taken minus as a common and mark the one negative sign in between the both the. Okay? Yes. Then after taking LCM, it becomes yes 10 into tan theta minus 1, tan theta into tan theta minus 1, right? By taking the LCM. Okay, so it has gone. Then what is remaining? 10 into tan square. 10 into 10 square. What it becomes? 10 cube theta and minus 1 like this, because it completes the LCM. So 10 square into 10 becomes 10 cube and minus 1. Then apply the identity of a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube. What is that? A minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Okay? As you know, the identity we apply here. 10 cube theta minus 1 minus 1. So then write here 10 theta minus 1 and a cube minus b cube, a square. So 10 square theta plus ab plus 10 theta, only 10 theta and plus 1. Okay? That's one of the simple step. A square, a because 1 is here, so 10 into 1 and 1 square, it is 1 square. And numerator, we will change, denominator remain as it is, 10 theta and 10 theta minus 1. Okay? Now, we also agree that, so yes, it is cancellation, right? 10 theta minus 1, 10 theta minus 1 has gone, right? Then divide separately, 10 square theta upon 10 theta plus 10 theta upon 10 theta and 1 upon 10 theta, right? So it becomes 10 square upon 10 means only 10 theta plus 1 plus 4 theta. It is one of the question maybe asked in the examination. It is one of the RHS. Up to also they can ask, prove that 10 plus 4 plus 1. But now you have to prove it 1 and second cosec. Simply change 10 and cos. Now sin and cos instead of here. Now we will change sin and cos. Clear? So 10, yes, sin theta upon cos theta plus this cos theta upon sin theta plus 1, isn't it? Yes, LCM here, cos theta into sin theta, sin into sin, sin square theta plus cos into cos, cos square theta plus 1. And it is 1. As you know, sin square theta plus cos square theta is what? 1. 1 upon cos theta into sin theta plus 1. It can be written as 1 upon cos means cosec and sec theta. Here, sec theta into cosec theta plus 1. 4 into 9 here. 1 plus cosec theta into sec theta, that is RHS, and hence 2. Clear? Right?